Well, hey, let's talk about weather now. We're joined with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. And George, today, pretty nice day, but it sounds like we've got some rain and humidity coming our way.
Yeah, back to the humid weather. Very summer-like as we head into our last unofficial weekend of summer. Well, next to last, because Labor Day weekend's coming up next weekend. Let's take a look at our sky conditions around the area. We are looking at partly cloudy skies and some sunshine now, but some high clouds have already come in from dissipating showers over in Wisconsin. Those showers will not get here tonight, but the humidity that it leaves behind will eventually get here as winds have now turned around to the south. A couple of days of southerly winds will boost those temperatures and humidity levels quite a bit, along with our chances for rain. Temperatures right now are in the upper 70s, close to that 80 degrees, but you can see where the showers are. It's only in the 60s and 70s, but more importantly, those dew points are starting to creep up. It'll be humid tomorrow and then very humid during the day on Monday. In terms of our temperatures, we're in the mid and upper 70s to near 80 under partly to mostly cloudy skies as those high clouds have come on in. And tonight we're looking at a dry night under mostly cloudy skies. It'll be in the low and mid 60s. Those southeast winds continuing for your northern zones. Still upper 50s to around 60. You might want to consider maybe turning that air conditioning on. Other than that, here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be in the upper 50s to low 60s for your overnight lows. When we come back, we'll talk about when your chances of rain increase here tomorrow and what's ahead for next week all the way through the Labor Day weekend. That is in just a few minutes.
Chief Meteorologist George Lessons outside on the weather deck tonight. And George, we had a pretty nice Saturday. Fingers crossed tomorrow's just as nice, though.
Well, almost as nice, yes.
Okay.
Unless you don't like the humidity. And then, yeah, that's going to be up here tomorrow, and so will our chances for rain. Right now, though, the 13 weather ball is just red because the showers are going to be fairly widely scattered here tomorrow, and it'll be in the afternoon. But warmer, more humid weather ahead for your Sunday. This view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today right around 80, give or take a degree or so. Still could reach our high of 80, which is our average high for this time of year, and that's our forecast high for today. Right now, we are within 3 degrees of our forecast high. We've done that 2 days in a row. Here's your grillcast for Sunday. Mostly cloudy skies. You might be able to dodge a hit and miss shower or a thunderstorm throughout the afternoon into the early evening, but they'll become more prevalent as we get into the afternoon and overnight here tomorrow night. What you're seeing on your radar apps are dissipating showers off to the west. We're starting to see some high clouds come in as it's become mostly cloudy now over a good portion of West Michigan. But these showers are most likely not going to make it into West Michigan. You can clearly see this on our models overnight tonight. It does become partly cloudy and then mostly cloudy after midnight, but all the rain from those showers dissipates. This is Sunday morning. We're going to have a rather mostly cloudy day, and then end of the afternoon. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. No rain yet, but you'll start to see some scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm right toward around 5, 6 o'clock here in the Kent County area, and then that'll push to the east, and then a few more during the evening hours, and then it looks like that's going to be it for a good portion of the rest of the week and into the weekend. In terms of rainfall, any one of those showers and storms could put down a quick ½ inch of rain, like where those storms pop up here just to the southeast of Kent County up through Ionia, and another batch there in Oceana County on up to north of Big Rapids. And that would be during the afternoon into the evening tomorrow. Not during a night tonight. So in terms of your forecast, we're looking at tomorrow up into the low in mid 80s. In fact, 86 in Holland, 87 in South Haven with those south winds picking up. All the showers and thunderstorms will develop during the afternoon hours and then progressively move to the east. And certainly the dew points will be jumping well up into the 60s. In your northern zone, you're looking at highs in the mid 80s. That's about 4 or 5 degrees warmer than today with those rising dew points. Again, any showers or thunderstorms will come during the afternoon into the evening hours. A little bit stronger wind here in the northern zones and the greater Grand Rapids area. Mid 80s. In fact, you might even get close to 90 down in Kalamazoo with dew points in the 60s with mostly afternoon and early evening showers and storms. 13 on your side forecast. Looking at about 40% of the area seeing those storms here tomorrow afternoon into the evening, and again during the day on Monday. In fact, dew points on Monday we're going to be in the 70s. Cold front goes through. We drop our temperatures nearly 10 degrees on Tuesdays. It will be a little bit on the breezy side. And then a couple of cool days, if we want to call mid-70s kind of cool. Very refreshing. Temperatures in the morning will be in the 50s. And then we'll be back up close to 80 as we head into the holiday weekend. And it looks like all the holiday weekend we'll see lots of sunshine, low and even mid-80s with more humidity coming in on Labor Day on Monday. But the one factor coming up here next week, Elena, will be the fact that we'll see lots of sunshine and very comfortable temperatures. And that's the way we like it for that last unofficial weekend of summer.
Yeah, that came up really fast this summer. I know if Michael were here this weekend, he'd be complaining about the humidity tomorrow already.
Well,
too.
I'm sure he would be, yes.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a humid one. Well, thanks so much, George.